In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe transactions into Airtable with Make.com. By the end, you'll have a hands-off workflow that listens for payments in Stripe and instantly creates neatly formatted records in Airtable. First, make sure your accounts are ready. You'll need access to Stripe with API permissions, an Airtable base with a table designed to store transaction details, and a Make.com account. In Airtable, create fields like date, amount, customer, and payment status so the incoming data has a clear home. You can always add optional fields such as currency or description later if your reporting needs grow. Keep any credentials secure and never paste private keys into shared documents. Now head to Make.com and create a new scenario. In the scenario editor, search for and add the Stripe and Airtable modules. Think of the scenario as a flow. Stripe will trigger the automation and Airtable will receive the data. Set up your Stripe trigger by adding either the Watch Payments or Watch Events module. Connect your Stripe account using a secure API connection. Choose the event type you want to monitor. Payment succeeded is a great default because it captures completed charges. If you go with Watch Payments, you'll receive payment objects directly. Watch Events is more flexible if you plan to listen to additional event types later. For the first run, you can choose to start from the current moment so you don't import a large history unintentionally. Next, add the Airtable Create a Record module. Connect your Airtable account securely, then select the base and table you prepared. In the mapping panel, match Stripe data to your Airtable fields. Map the payment amount, the customer's name or email if available, the payment status, and the timestamp. Remember that Stripe amounts are often in the smallest currency unit, so consider dividing by 100 to display dollars instead of cents. Also, align date and time zones so your records are easy to read. If a field is optional or sometimes empty, like a customer name for one-time checkouts, use a fallback such as guest to keep your table consistent. It's time to test. Click Run once in Make, then trigger a test payment in Stripe's test mode so you don't charge anything real. Check Airtable to verify that each field appears correctly and that formatting looks right. When you're satisfied, switch the scenario to On and choose whether to run it in real time or on a schedule. That's it, your Stripe to Airtable automation is live and ready to scale.